Are you tired of the endless rat race? Wondering if financial freedom is just a dream? Imagine waking up each day with the peace of mind knowing you've achieved true financial independence. No more stressing over bills, no more paycheck-to-paycheck living. In the next 2 minutes, I'll walk you through 5 powerful steps that can turn this dream into your reality. But here's the catch. Most people will only get to step 3 and give up. Stick with me, because the last 2 steps are where the real magic happens. Ready to take control of your financial future? Let's dive in. Step 1. Master your money mindset. Here's the thing. Wealth starts in the mind before it shows up in your bank account. Sounds cliche, right? But ask yourself, do you believe you deserve to be wealthy? Because if you're stuck in a scarcity mindset, constantly thinking there's never enough, that's exactly what you'll attract. Shift that mindset. Start believing that financial freedom is not just for the top 1%, but for anyone willing to put in the work. Think about it. What if your mindset is the only thing standing between you and a 6-figure bank account? Food for thought. This is the foundation. Without it, none of the other steps will matter. All right, now that we've tackled the hardest part, your mind, let's talk numbers. And no, I'm not about to bore you with a lecture on budgeting. Or am I? Stick with me. I promise it's worth it. Step 2. Build a solid budget that doesn't suck. Yes, I said it. Most budgets suck. They're restrictive, boring, and frankly, impossible to stick to. But here's the truth. Budgeting isn't about deprivation, it's about prioritization. The 50-30-20 rule is your new best friend. Allocate 50% to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Imagine being able to enjoy your money while still saving for the future. Now, that's what I call balance. So, if you're serious about financial freedom, this is where you start getting smart with your money, not just working hard for it. Step 3. Eliminate bad debt. Fast debt is a dream killer. Period. It's the weight that keeps you anchored in the rat race. But here's the good news. You can break free. The debt snowball method is a game changer. Pay off your smallest debt first to gain momentum, then roll those payments into the next debt. Each time you knock one out, you get a hit of motivation. Imagine waking up one day, debt-free, with nothing holding you back. Doesn't that sound amazing? But remember, financial freedom isn't just about being debt-free, it's about what comes next. So, you've cleared your debt. What's the next step that truly skyrockets your path to wealth? Let's get into it. Step 4. Invest aggressively and consistently. This is where you turn your money into a wealth-generating machine. The stock market, real estate, or even a business. Pick your vehicle. But don't just park your money in a savings account. That's a guaranteed way to lose money to inflation. The trick here is simple. Start early, invest consistently, and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. Did you know if you invest just $500 a month at an 8% return, you'll be a millionaire in less than 35 years? Let that sink in. But you need to start now, not tomorrow, not next year. Speaking of investing, did you know that not investing is actually the riskiest thing you can do? Seriously. Playing it too safe is the fastest way to fall behind. Step 5. Create multiple streams of income now. This is the step that separates the wealthy from the rest. One income stream is too close to none. Imagine losing your job tomorrow. What would happen? This is why you need to diversify. Side hustles, dividends, rental income, or even digital products. The options are endless. Start small, but think big. Each new income stream is another step closer to financial independence. The more you diversify, the safer you become from life's financial curveballs. And there you have it. 5 steps that can transform your financial life. But remember, the real secret to wealth is letting your money work for you, not the other way around. If you're ready to take this journey to the next level, check out my video on real estate versus stock market. Which one is the better wealth building strategy for you? Click on the end screen now, and I'll see you over there.